Topic number 3. The Constitution of 1973. Introduction. The Constitution of 1973 is the fundamental law of Pakistan, shaping the country's political, legal, and social framework. It establishes a parliamentary democracy, guarantees fundamental rights, and ensures that all laws align with Islamic principles. This constitution defines the structure of the government, the division of powers between the federal and provincial authorities, and the rights and duties of citizens. By comparing Pakistan's constitutional framework with other South Asian countries, Islamic states, and Western democracies like the USA and the UK, we can understand its uniqueness and significance. Despite amendments and challenges, the 1973 Constitution remains the cornerstone of Pakistan's governance and continues to evolve to meet the needs of its people. 1. Importance of the 1973 Constitution. The Constitution of 1973 is important because it declares Pakistan an Islamic republic, ensuring all laws align with Islamic principles. It guarantees fundamental rights such as freedom of speech, religion, and equal treatment. It establishes a parliamentary system where elected representatives govern the country. It divides power between the federal and provincial governments, ensuring autonomy. It provides a legal framework for national policies and governance. This constitution has shaped Pakistan's political stability and legal framework over the years. 2 key features of the Constitution. The Constitution of 1973 is structured around 3 main pillars that define the country's governance. 2.1 Fundamental Rights. Fundamental rights ensure equal treatment and protection for all citizens. These include right to life and liberty. Article 9 No person shall be deprived of life except under the law. Freedom of speech. Article 19 Citizens can express opinions freely within legal limits. Freedom of religion. Article 20 Every citizen has the right to practice their faith. Right to education. Article 25-A Free and compulsory education for children aged 5 to 16. Right to equality. Article 25 All citizens are equal before the law. These rights make Pakistan a democratic and inclusive society. 2.2 Directive Principles of State Policy. These principles guide the government in making policies for the welfare of the people. Although not legally enforceable, they include promotion of social justice and economic equality, ensuring education, healthcare, and employment for all, protecting the rights of minorities, women, and children, implementing Islamic teachings in governance. The government must work towards these goals to build a just and progressive society. 2.3 Structure of government. The Constitution establishes a parliamentary democracy where the Prime Minister is the head of government and the President is the ceremonial head of state. A. Executive, government leaders. Prime Minister runs the government and makes policies. President represents national unity but has limited power. Cabinet ministers assist in policy making and administration. B. Legislature, Parliament. National Assembly elected representatives make laws. Senate ensures equal representation of provinces in policymaking. C. Judiciary, court system. Supreme Court ensures laws follow the Constitution. High courts handle legal matters in each province. Lower courts deal with civil and criminal cases at local levels. The separation of powers ensures fair governance and legal protection for citizens. 3. Federalism and provincial autonomy. Pakistan follows a federal system where power is shared between the central government and provinces. The federal government manages national matters like defense, foreign policy, and finance. Provincial governments handle education, healthcare, and local administration. The 18th Amendment, 2010, granted more autonomy to provinces. This system helps maintain unity while giving provinces control over their affairs. 4. Comparison with other countries. 4.1 Comparison with South Asian countries. Pakistan's constitution shares similarities and differences with other South Asian nations. Country: India. Government system: parliamentary. Key difference from Pakistan: secular state, not based on Islam. Country: Bangladesh. Government system: parliamentary. Key difference from Pakistan: mix of secularism and Islamic principles. Country: Sri Lanka and Nepal. Government system: unitary. Key difference from Pakistan: centralized power, not federal like Pakistan. 4.2 Comparison with other Islamic states. Pakistan's constitution is unique as it combines democracy with Islamic values. Country: Saudi Arabia. Government system: monarchy. Key difference from Pakistan: no written constitution, only Islamic law. Country: Turkey. Government system: parliamentary presidential. Key difference from Pakistan: secular constitution, no official state religion. 4.3 Comparison with Western countries, USA and UK. Country: USA. Government system: presidential. Presidential. Key difference from Pakistan: the president is both head of state and government, separate from the legislature. Country: UK. Government system: parliamentary monarchy. Key difference from Pakistan: no written constitution, based on common law and conventions. United States, USA. The U.S. has a presidential system where the president is elected separately from the legislature. Pakistan, on the other hand, follows a parliamentary system where the Prime Minister is elected by Parliament. United Kingdom, UK. The UK has no written constitution, instead, its laws are based on tradition, judicial decisions, and parliamentary acts. Pakistan has a written constitution which clearly defines all laws and government powers. Pakistan's system is closer to the UK's parliamentary democracy but includes Islamic principles, unlike the UK's secular laws. 5. Amendments and challenges. Over the years, the Constitution has been amended multiple times to address governance issues. 5.1 Major amendments. 8th Amendment, 1985 increased presidential powers during military rule. 18th Amendment, 2010 strengthened democracy by restoring parliamentary supremacy and giving provinces more autonomy. 5.2 Challenges faced by the Constitution. Despite its strengths, the Constitution has faced several challenges. Political instability, frequent government changes weaken governance. Military interventions, the Constitution has been suspended during military rule. Judicial interference, courts sometimes face pressure from political leaders. Weak implementation, many fundamental rights are not fully enforced. To strengthen democracy, strict adherence to the Constitution is necessary. Conclusion. The Constitution of 1973 is the backbone of Pakistan's legal and political system. It establishes the country as a parliamentary democracy, ensuring fundamental rights, separation of powers, and Islamic principles in governance. By comparing it with other constitutions, such as those of the USA and the UK, we see different approaches to democracy, rule of law, and the protection of rights. Despite amendments and challenges, the Constitution continues to evolve, reflecting the changing needs of society while maintaining its core principles. It remains the guiding document that upholds justice, equality, and national unity in Pakistan.